Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Today's tutorial we'll be making the waistband of our pants. Previously, as you noticed, we did the zipper fly. You can see it is really nice and beautifully fixed, as you can see. So now what we are doing now, so this is what I did last, just to run here like this and curve it like this, and then it looks very beautiful. You can see inside is actually beautiful. So this was the last video we watched. So right now we're going to fix our waistband. So this is the waistband I did. So as you can see, I ironed the fusible. So if this is the first time you are watching this video, you can go on my YouTube channel and you will see how I explained it earlier, the type of fusible that I used. And so now I'm folding. I don't want it to sew it wrong. And also I did I show you the loop that I made. This is it. So actually attached, what I did was that I just measure. I cut about, I just have 6 pieces. So I just put the 6 pieces just the way that I want it. So it's up to you. You know how many you want to add to your pants. So I did 3 in front and 3 at back. So I just put it in between, sandwich it in between your waistband, and that is it. So now I'm going to sew it around. We're going to sew it around all the way around and all the way around. And so when I sew it around, when I get to these edges, so after sewing around, I'm just going to fold it like this, and I will sew it there so that it can be just right here, as you can see. All right. So I'm going to go to my sewing machine and do that. I will sew that, and then I will show you the next step. All right. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
All right, I'm back. So let me show you what I have done so far. So this is what I did. I sewed the belt loops, as you can see. So the next thing I'm going to, so everything went in. I did the band, sew it round, and I added the belt loops. So I just sew it now. That's what I did. So the next step we're going to do now is to actually put them together, because I was just concentrating on the waistband. Everything went very well. So the next step we're going to do now is to close up the pant. So I decided to do this way because like this, then it's easy for me actually to put this together. Remember, this place was open, we did not sew it to the edge. So now with this open place and this open edge, just put them together. Right? So that's what you do, you just put that together. So in this way, and it's easy, you can just do this like this, and you sew from here, so from here all the way down. So our pant is almost finished now. So what we'll do, just put it, sew it all the way down and down. Okay. Right. So this is it. Alright, so we do the same thing here as well. Let's see. So this way, all the way down. All right. So at the end, when we finish sewing the legs, then we're going to do the hemming of the pants. So just like this. So do the hemming. So this is like it. So after sewing everything, then we're going to just fold it. Just going to fold it. We fold it twice, and then we will sew each one. We'll do the same thing from the other legs. Okay. So as you can see, getting shaky now. Okay. 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 It's almost done. Okay. So this is what we're going to do now. I'm going to sew it all the way straight ahead, and then I will do the hemming of the legs, and then it's done. And then afterwards, then we will do the the buttonhole. So let me go to the machine now and sew it.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I'm back. So this is it. This is the complete pants. So I did the buttonhole right here. So I'm going to fix my button here. Then I close up the pants. So I did the hemline, and I did that as well. So this is it. So we're done with the pants. Cut off the excess strap. So this is it. Inside is nice and neat. You can see. So I am done with this pants. The next thing I'm going to do now is just to get it pressed, because the client is coming later in the day to pick it up. So I will get it pressed and wait for him. So that is that. I hope you guys like this video, and you guys go ahead and practice your making pants for guys. You can make pants for your husband, for your boyfriend, so on and so forth, or your son, so you can actually make it. So I am satisfied with it now. So it's big enough. So it is good. It's nice, beautiful. So that is that. So thank you very much for watching. So you go ahead and practice. As I always say, practice makes perfect. So try and you see what you can do, right? My button, the leg loops is also quite done. So that is it. So I will say enjoy your day, and have a good day wherever you may be, and I see you hopefully in the next video. Alright then. Okay, it's goodbye for me. Bye.